sorting. So the first sort technique is selection sort. Selection sort algorithm is used to arrange list of elements in a particular order. That is, it may be either in the ascending order or descending order. Ascending order is nothing but small to big. Descending order is nothing but the big element to small element. In selection sort, the first element in the list is selected and it is compared repeatedly with all the remaining elements in the list. If any element is smaller than the selected element, that is in the ascending order, then both the elements are swapped, and so that the first position is filled with the smallest element in the sorted order. Next, we select the element at the second position in the list and it is compared with all the remaining elements in the list. If any element is smaller than the selected element, then both are swapped. This procedure is repeated until the entire list is sorted. So it depends upon your requirement. You can sort the elements in the ascending order or descending order. So what we have to note, one important point which is also very important as in the aspect of your interviews. So in the selection sort, in the first iteration itself, you are going to get a minimum element to the beginning of the list. That is, a minimum element comes into the first position in the selection sort. So this is very important interview question. Algorithm for selection sort. Step 1, start. Step 2, initialize or declare the identifiers. That is, we require one array of some size 20, or you can take more size depending upon your requirement. Comma n to read the number of elements, comma I for iterations, and one temporary variable in order to perform swap logic. Step 3, read n value and read elements in the array till I is less than n. Step 4, select the first element of the list, that is element at first position in the list. Step 5, compare the selected element with all other elements in the list. Step 6, in every comparison, if any element is found smaller than the selected element, especially we are discussing for ascending order, then both elements are swapped. Step 7, repeat the same procedure with element in the next position in the list. The entire list is sorted. So till the entire list is sorted. The last step is stop. So this is an algorithm for selection sort. Let us see one example for selection sort. We have some elements like 23, 78, 45, 8, 32 and 56. So first we are going to check from the given list. First we are going to take the element 8, which is smaller. we are comparing this entire list. We found the smaller element is 8. Now we need to swap 8 and 23. Now after 8, after the first pass, go for the next element. That is 78, 45, 23, 32 and 56. Now compare 78 with 23. As 23 is the least one, now we need to swap it. After the second pass, now 8 and 23 are already sorted. Compare 45 with 32. Now 45 comparing with 32, we need to swap it because 42 is greater than 32. Now 32 will come into the sorted list. So after pass 2, we have the sorted list as 8, 23 and 32. Now we need to check the next element for pass 3, that is 78, 45 and 56. Now 78 comparing with 45. So 78 is greater than 45, swap it. Now 45 will be in the sorted list after pass 3. Next, in pass 4, we need to compare 78 with 56. So 78 is greater than 56, we need to swap it. So after swapping, in the pass 5, the sorted order will be 8, 23, 32, 45, 56 and 78. So this is the sorted list. That is, the elements are in the ascending order.